How to tell if your daughter-in-law doesn't like you. If you're here, you have noticed things about your daughter-in-law that make you feel like she doesn't like you. Maybe she's been disrespectful or acts a little manipulative. If yes, it's possible your difficult daughter-in-law does not like you. Let's go through some signs. She rarely calls you or sends messages. I hear you saying, but what if she's just busy? Trust your hunches. If your daughter-in-law rarely returns your calls or doesn't reach out, especially during rough times, it's not a good sign. She always has a good excuse to be excused. If your daughter-in-law does not like you, she will look for ways to avoid you. It's like pulling teeth to get her to come to events and gatherings. If she does come, she's distant and unfriendly. She seems irritated. It seems she is quick to criticize you, even over minor things. She doubts your intentions, and you hardly ever get the benefit of the doubt. This is a telltale sign that she is a disrespectful daughter-in-law. She tries to limit her husband's interactions with you. Well, if she can get her husband to avoid you, she gets to avoid you too. She may be jealous of her husband's relationship with you. She will be hostile to you. The most obvious sign, she's just plain mean to you. She doesn't want to be friends. When she speaks to you, her voice is dripping with sarcasm and contempt. If your daughter-in-law is showing one or more of these signs, it's time to work on your relationship. Perhaps you've tried before and it didn't work and you feel it's a hopeless cause. Try not to give up on each other. You're still family, and family sticks together. Good luck.